All right, my little Christmas elves, are you ready for a deal? You do this assignment and watch the video, or just do the assignment. You got to do it correctly. You get yourself 200 elf dollars. If everybody in your group does that, you could make almost $1,000 or more. So I would do it because I think some of your elves are getting a little bit poor and a little bit broke. So in your modules in math, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will see that there is Module 8 Review, all the way at the very bottom of your modules. You're going to click there, and you're going to copy, name it, file it, all the things we do, then it will look like this. So when you are ready to go, I'm going to go through the problems. If you think you know how to do it, awesome, go for it. So this is like an all or nothing. You got to get them all done and correct. $200. So here we go. Hey, slide number 2 says to write an equivalent expression as repeated multiplication for the base and the exponents. What you need to do here is you're going to type here. So 3, right? This is not 3 times 5. It's not 3 plus 5. This is 3 5 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 times. You don't even have to solve it. You're just writing out what does 3 to the 5th look like as repeated multiplication. Okay, slide number 3 says write an expression for the situation. Expressions do not have equal signs. It is just the problem you would do. Tina had $3. She has this. Then each time she shoveled snow, she earned $5. That's right, she's getting more money, but it's each time she does that. So she shovels snow 1 time, she gets 5. She shovels snow 2 times, she gets 10. She shovels snow 3 times, she gets 15. If she shovels snow S amount of times, we do not know how many times she has shoveled snow. How much money will she have? All right, so she's starting with 3, and she's adding on 5 S's. So whatever S is, we would times it by 5 and then add on the $3 she already had. So she's shoveling snow. Each time she does that, so we're multiplying by 5 and adding on the 3 that she already has. She had it to start. Hey, here we are just solving this problem. Be sure to use your order of operations. So groups, we need to do our groups first. So we're doing our groups. Then we need to do our exponents. Then we'll need to multiply, right? This is 5 groups of this. Then we can add everything together. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to answer this. Here on slide 5, we're plugging in if G is 5. If G is 5, so step 1, plug it in. Hey, do we have groups? Yes, we're going to do this. Don't forget to line your decimals up. Step 2, we have exponents, 2 times 2 times 2. Then we need to multiply. Then we're going to add this and this together. So we're ending with one answer. So step 1, plug it in. Step 2, groups. Step 3, exponents. 4, multiply. 5, add together. Slide 6 is we want to combine these like terms. So first, we need to look for all of our y's. So we have 7 y's. No. Oh, we've got another y that are added together. So 7 y's and 1 more is the first part of our answer. So now we're looking for n's. No, yes. So we have 8 n's, and then we are taking away 5 n's. We don't have anything else. So 8 n's, take away these, but they're still positive, right? I have 8, and I'm taking away 5 of them, So now I just have 3, but they're positive, so plus 3. And then we have 14, and we're taking away 10, right? Take it away, still a positive number. So we have 3 terms, the y's, the n's, and the constants. Okay, number 7, we're going to use that distributive property. Just when we distribute, we give something out. So we're going to give to everything in this group. So 6 times 7 here with an H plus 6 times 4 with a B. There's no variable here, so 6 times 7 H's plus 6 times 4 B's. Okay, here we go. So now this time we're going to go backwards and we're going to pull that back out. So we're looking here. I'm going to grab see if that's what I want, pen here. So this, right, means 9K times K, and we're adding on 6 K's. So first I want to think of a number that goes into 6 and 3. So what can 6 and, well, if you were listening, I just told you the answer. We want to think of a number that goes into 9 and 6. 9 and 6. So what can 9 and 6 be divided by? Right, 3 goes in there. And do they have a variable in common? Yes, they do. They both have a K. So this one is done, and this K is gone. We can't use those anymore. So parentheses, 3 goes into 9 3 times with a K. We still have a K left. And then we're adding on, 3 goes into 6 2 times with no K. We already used it. I can check backwards, right? 3 times 3 is 9. K times K is K squared. 3 times 2 is 6 with a K. So we just pull out anything that they have in common, and then inside we say what is left. All right, last one here. Oh, I'm just drawing dots. Now I don't know how to get back to my, oh, I got to exit the drawing. There we go. Sorry. Okay. And our last question here, are these equivalent? So let's look here at these factoring ones. So this is 7 times 3, and then B times B. Then here we have 7 times 5 with a B. And you're deciding, does that equal that one? Is that true or false? Then here we have 7 times 3, B times B. Oops, I do not have an equal sign in there. There we go. And then here we have 7 times 5 with a B. So one is true and one is false. Just put an X in the correct box that it matches to. Is it true or false? Okay, if you have any questions, send me an email. I can help you out with anything extra. So I know I didn't tell you the answer, but I walked you through step by step. If that was not enough, send me an email and I would love to help you more. Get ready for our test on what we've got coming up. So when you're done, make sure you either come and share, send it to nicole.richards@besd.net, or copy the link and back in here, go ahead and submit it in Canvas. So I hope I am giving out lots of elf money.